In this video, I want to show you how you can add money to your Wise account. Now to do this, it's actually pretty simple. I suggest that you add a currency. So you can see I have the Danish crown here, but what you should do is just press new or click up here and there will be an add currency one. And once you've done this, you can simply press add money. Now you might be able to press this without adding the currency, but if you can, that's fine. But if you can't, then just add it. And then you can just select what kind of currency you want to do. So let's say you want to use US dollar. Click here and type how much, then continue. Then you have to do a little verification and use your payment. Once you've done this, you have added money. Now the second option is if you have a lot of different currencies. Let's say you have Danish, USD, Euro. Just select the one you want to do and click on add. Now these are the ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. Keep in mind you need an account and you need to verify it, otherwise you cannot do this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.